Check out the Infinix Hot 40i, a super cool smartphone that combines style and performance to give you an amazing mobile experience. It runs on the latest Android 13 operating system with the sleek XOS 13 interface, making everything smooth and easy to use. Infinix Hot 40i processor. The Infinix Hot 40i is packed with the advanced Unisoc T606 chipset, which is built on a cutting-edge 12 nanometers architecture. Its octa-core processor, featuring 2 by 1.6 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 by 1.6 GHz Cortex-A55, offers a perfect balance of speed and efficiency. Infinix Hot 40i display. The Infinix Hot 40i has an amazing 6.56-inch display that fills up most of the front, giving you an immersive visual experience. With its 720 by 1612 pixel resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio, the screen is vibrant and sharp, offering around 169 pixels per inch. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or just browsing, the Hot 40i's display brings everything to life with vivid colors and crisp details. It's like having a mini theater in your hands. Infinix Hot 40i camera. Get ready to capture life's moments in stunning detail with the Hot 40i's advanced camera system. It features a powerful 50MP rear camera with an f/1.6 aperture, ensuring your photos are clear and full of depth. Plus, there's a 0.08 MP auxiliary lens that adds versatility to your photography experience. Whether you're in low-light environments or want to take wide-angle shots, the Hot 40i is the perfect companion for capturing memories in any scenario. Say cheese. Infinix Hot 40i battery. The Infinix Hot 40i is a beast when it comes to battery life. It's got a solid 5000 mAh non-removable battery that can keep up with your busy lifestyle all day long. No more worrying about constantly charging your phone. This powerhouse device ensures you stay connected and entertained throughout the day without any interruptions. It's the perfect companion for your on-the-go adventures. Overall, the Infinix Hot 400 is a feature-packed smartphone that has it all. From its impressive camera system to its powerful performance and long-lasting battery. It's a true game-changer with its sleek design and top-notch specifications. The Hot 40i showcases Infinix's dedication to delivering quality and innovation. If you're looking for an exceptional mobile experience, the Hot 40i is the way to go. Get ready to elevate your smartphone journey with style and substance.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test.